Hi, I'm Debbie. I'm 65. I'm a skincare specialist. And I had a client that came in and she apologized for missing her previous appointment, but she said, I didn't think I should come in when I had an eye infection. And I said, oh no, what happened? She said, well, I was using one of those lash growth serums and I got this eye infection. So she went into her doctor and the doctor said, quit using that immediately. And I don't know why you ladies don't just use castor oil, because she had had so many people with really great results. And so I was really glad that a medical doctor recommended a natural remedy like this. Well, we're going to take a deep dive into castor oil today, and I'm going to share a few things that have happened to me. And I would also love if you would leave me a comment, like and share, and give me a 5-star review, depending on which platform you're watching this on. But let me know what's happening with your experience with castor oil, or if you've ever tried it. So this is sponsored by YoungerLift, YoungerLift Skincare. I'll leave that in the description box. But we're going to talk about this. And one of the best things that this does, the castor oil does, is it's a great moisturizer. Now, you may be afraid to put it on your skin because you might think, oh, it's so thick, it's going to clog my pores. No, it doesn't. It does not clog your pores. It's antimicrobial and antifungal, and it's actually even good for acne. Now, there are two different kinds. You want to make sure that you have organic. You want to make sure it's in a glass amber bottle. But there is clear, or there is the dark Jamaican castor oil. Now, they both do about the same as far as results. But the thing I like about the Jamaican dark castor oil is I love the smell of it. It smells really woodsy. And I just like this kind of smoky, woodsy smell that it gives. But if you don't like that, then I would go ahead and just use the clear castor oil. Now, I tried it on my hair. And what you do is you massage it into your scalp, because that will help with the hair growth. It helps strengthen the roots and helps your hair grow. And then you take a wide comb and you comb your hair with it. And then I did that, and then so it goes through your hair, and then I also put additional on the ends because my hair was really dry on the ends. Now you can just leave it a few hours and then wash it out, or you can sleep in it. So I just pulled my hair back in a ponytail, or you can put a shower cap over it, and I slept in it. So I thought, okay, I hope this is worth it because it's probably going to be hard to wash out. But to my surprise, it wasn't. I used my regular shampoo. It came right out, and my hair felt and looked great. So I would definitely recommend it as a special treatment, maybe a couple times a week. So the next thing is I have been using it on my face, but especially around my eyes, and it's really helped with crow's feet. I've only been doing it about 2 weeks, but definitely under the eyes and the crow's feet. And the other place is my neck. You know, we all fight the neck thing, especially over 40 or 50. I'm 65, and this has been a real struggle. And I know that it tightens and moisturizes the neck. But the thing I didn't realize is if you put a product on underneath, it has the ability to drive it in even further. So I have been using, I didn't realize that, but I've been using my my YoungerLift firming cream. So I would put that on my neck, and then I would put the castor oil over it at night. And then I would alter it with my youth serum, my youth gel. And that has peptides, and which helps to build collagen. So I kind of went back and forth, alternate nights, and then I would do the castor oil over top of it. So I didn't realize I was actually driving this in, and these ingredients were working even better. And then with the castor oil over top of it, with the moisturizing and the tightening, it was great. So I continued to do that. And of course, I do like the Jamaican one the best. You can also use it on your lips. Now, Amazon has these little containers where you can pour castor oil in with a little lip applicator, or one that's like a mascara that has never been used, a mascara wand, and you can use that for your eyelashes and eyebrows. But otherwise, you can probably just do a Q-tip. So it just depends on what you would like to do. So there are a lot of things that you can do also for your body, and I'm going to go over that next time. So I'm just going to concentrate on hair, neck, and face today. But another thing you can do with it is you can put it on and then you can use your Gua Sha tool. Now this castor oil is loaded with vitamin E and vitamins and fatty acids. It's fantastic. So if you use your Gua Sha over it, it really, really is a great combination, because this is going to help drive it in, and then you're going to get that lymphatic drainage and you're going to get that sculpting. So I definitely recommend using it with a Gua Sha tool. I do have one of these on my website, YoungerLift.com. You can see all of these things, and you can get the castor oil on Amazon. So I will leave that link. So next time we will talk about body treatments, and please again leave me a comment, tell me what's going on with you, and in the meantime stay beautiful, and I will see you in the next video.